back to Mannisto. Another project on the way. We're going to be re-sloping all this. The level of dirt against the house is too high. It's got to come down about a foot. So we've cleaned off the sod, as you can see. And the ducks are having a feast here right now. We're going to pull this down about a foot grade total change. So anyways, we're using the Kubota today and the John Deere to make some changes. Anyways, come along for the ride. Grab your coffee, grab your beer, whatever you're going to have to drink, and enjoy.
Well folks, as you can see, we got lots done in these 3 days. The dirt is now below the brick fascia, so that's a good thing. The pipe that we saw earlier in the video was an old drainage plug used for the eaves trough that no longer exists on the house. As you can see, though, the yard is much smoother and much more usable. Before, it was kind of treacherous to drive the Kubota in the front yard because you're always scared to get a little too close to that edge. As we know, tractors don't like sideways slopes, so this is a bit safer for the Kubota to cut the lawn. The ducks continue to inspect the work and seem to be happy with it. We've got the senior inspector up here now, looking at the house. He seems to be happy with things, so it's good to go. Anyways folks, I'm glad you could come back to the key. I hope you enjoyed this video from earlier this summer. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment down below for us to chat. Take care.